Good for Business is sponsored by Washington Federal Bank. Call us WaFd Bank.
Good Thursday morning, everybody. Brad Goode here with your Good for Business report. All right, 6 months into the pandemic, and we've seen restrictions on nearly every aspect of our lives. We're also getting a much better picture of how people have been spending their time and what they've been buying. The Puget Sound Business Journal reports cannabis retail sales surged 28% across the state since March. Data provided to the paper, though, shows while sales are up, retail and license fees the state collects are down. That's because there are 100 fewer groups holding licenses than in the same time last year, meaning fewer stores selling cannabis products, and stores that are still in business have been delaying those fee payments. All right, bigger appears to be better for housing in the pandemic. Redfin reporting this morning sales of large homes up 21%. The typical home that sold between July and August was nearly 4% larger than a home that sold the same time last year. Prices were also up for both small and large homes. Redfin analysts say the trend they're seeing, people are seeking more dedicated office or study space now that home has become both work and school. Don't we know that? While Americans keep shopping for homes and other supplies, Wall Street keeps moving like a freight train. The challenge is getting more furloughed or those laid off workers back on the job, as another million Americans sought first-time unemployment claims last week. Now we learn the worst drop in how we measure the economy on record was not quite as bad as first thought, but gross domestic product still plunged a whopping 31.7%. So the big question remains, how long will the economic recovery take, and how much damage will befall the U.S. economy along the way? Investors remain positive, pushing stocks higher. Fed Reserve Chair Jerome Powell just announcing a new tool in the Fed's arsenal to combat economic impact of the virus and stimulating growth by keeping interest rates low for an extended period of time. And look at that. Wall Street is loving that news, with the Dow up and rallying 248 points in early trade. That's Good for Business, powered by my bank, WaFd Bank.